I'm on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. I totally thought I gave y'all a whole rundown of this car. I forgot. I'm talking, I replayed the whole thing on my head till I came to get my camera and noticed it wasn't. Yeah, but yeah, we finished this. I'm talking, I swear, I feel like I did the whole script like, what up, detail world, but I didn't. But anyway, we just finished this Chevrolet Suburban High Country Edition. It was typical debris, you know, your typical dirt, but we got the car looking good. If you look at the wheels, got all the dirt and grime off the wheels. We got all the dirt off the side of the car, off the running board, things like that. And we also made sure that we got the interior of the car done properly. So on that note, we completely got the car looking good. Vacuum the back of the seats, vacuum the seats. I mean, just the whole thing, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and let him know we done. He had another car here. He wanted us to do, but I let him know I can't do it. I'm trying to stay on time. So I'm gonna come tomorrow morning and do the other car. But like always, man, y'all already know the script. Do what you gonna do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And I'm gonna catch y'all at the next one. At the next one. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We didn't finish this second car today, which is this GMC Yukon Denali. Yeah, it's a much older version. You know what I mean? It's kind of like a 99, 2000, 2003 version. But yeah, we already got the car knocked out, in and out. Wasn't really too much I can do with that interior, because you know them old cars right here got that old carpet. He didn't want it detailed. He just wanted a good wash and back. So we came in here and just did what we could do as best as possible. But like I said, it came out great. Definitely enthused. About to head to the next stop. We got one more car for the day. And about to call it a day after that. And like I said, it's a glorious day. If you see the sky, sun shining. But like I said, we just finished this Yukon Denali. I'm about to go park it. And like always, man, do what you gotta do, because we're gonna do what you gotta do. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. So you do what you gotta do. And on that note, like always, man, peace. Detail world, what it do. We done made it to this last stop right here, which is just Porsche Macon. Well, we already cleaned the car, because you know, like I told y'all prior to the other videos, we're definitely trying to get back to getting these kids. So if you look at the car, it came out completely clean. If you look at the wheels, and I'm gonna give you a quick glimpse of this interior. If you look, the seats came completely clean. Had a little dog here and there. You know what I mean? She keep a dog in the car. But we made sure we get the windows clean, the door jambs clean. And most of all, this car gets very brake dust. But like always, man, one love. Love yourself. And I'm going to catch y'all later. Peace.
I'm on YouTube. Watch TY38.